Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the lava road in Fish It. So the lava road isn't just for show, it is the only durable enough to handle the volcanic biome without melting. And here I'm going to show you how you can get this road. And the lava road is also one of the road that for you who new to fish it can get it easily by going to the Kohana Island. So from the Fisherman Island, you can just sail out to the Kohana Island and just walk inside the Kohana Volcano to find or to get the road, and just go inside in here like this little passage, and within seconds you'll be arrived in the Kohana Volcano. And to get the road, you can just easily do it by talking to the lava fishermen in here. So just talk to him in here. Sorry. You can just go up, and then you can just talk to him, and just like that, by talking to him, you'll get the lava road. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.